This case has caught a lot of eyeballs, Gargi. Now, talking about who Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raja Raghuvanshi are, let me take you through Raja Raghuvanshi, right? Now, he is the husband in this case, and he is also the murder victim. He was the youngest of three brothers in their family, and it's a huge joint family that he comes from in Indore. They resided in Indore in Madhya Pradesh, and he, in fact, was managing the family business, which was a transport business that was owned by the Raghuvanshi family. It was called Raghuvanshi Transport, and he was in fact managing the entire business. He provided buses on rent to schools, and for coaching centers as well, Raghuvanshi Transport would provide buses on lease. Now, he was running the business later, and this business in fact has been up and running since 2007. Now, as far as Sonam Raghuvanshi is concerned, she is of course the wife. They had gotten married in Indore, and she is now the prime suspect in the case. Now, her father in fact owns a plywood factory, and she again was managing the family business there. She is the daughter of this factory owner, and she was managing the entire business. They also lived in Indore. She ran all the departments of the business. That includes the billing, the accounts department, as well as and all the other departments as well. She had managed the family business, like I said. And talking about Sonam Raghuvanshi again, she was managing the accounts and billing department. So she, like Raja Raghuvanshi, was a major part of the family business. She has now accused Raj Kushwaha was working with Sonam, and the people who we've spoken to say that Sonam and Raj Kushwaha were close friends because they were working together. And now, as far as the accused is concerned, accused Raj Kushwaha again was also living near Sonam's house. Now, these are the major details of who Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raja Raghuvanshi are.